Mark of Nestlé Professional. We believe at Nestlé Professional COVID-19 there's going to be a lot more customers out there that are going to be wanting plant-based products. So I'm super excited today to show you our fillet pieces, so a protein bowl. So I'm going to do a Portuguese burrito bowl for you. So we've got some in a bowl, we've got some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some sugar, a little bit of brown sugar there, got some fresh oregano, so the garlic. Some people, as I said, use garlic presses. Personally, I just like to smash it down with the heel of my hand. Just chop it a little bit more. So garlic, we've got some cumin, some smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, like a little bit of heat in there. Also going to put a little bit of lime juice. So with the lime, all I'm going to do is roll it on the board with the heel of my hand, just squash it down a little bit. Just want about half a lime juice in there. Okay, so before I add the fillet pieces, I'm just going to mix all that together. Of course, always add your spice mix and your herbs before you add your protein. This is our Garden Gourmet range of products. This is our fillet pieces that I'm going to use. Just literally going to mix that marinade into the fillet pieces. As you can see, that's taken a beautiful colour already. So all I'm going to do now is put them in a hot frying pan, get as much flavour as I can, and you'll see these will naturally caramelise as well. I've got some cooked rice. Use any rice, you can use some wild rice, basmati rice, whatever you want now. Some chilli flakes. I'm going to use the other half of my lime. A little tiny bit of garlic's going to go in there as well, not too much, probably about a quarter of the garlic. So again, I'm just going to use the back of the knife to smash it. Okay. I'm going to put the spring onion in there as well. A little bit of cracked black pepper on there. So I'm going to mix the chili flakes with the garlic into the rice. So again, the dressing is a little bit of garlic again. Some cumin, tiny little bit. Again, a little bit of brown sugar. Some chili flake. Use fresh if you want to. Got some olive oil in there. A little bit of lemon juice. It's got that beautiful caramelisation there now, as you can see on some of them already. Just going to put that into a bowl, sit to one side to cool. So the next thing is just simply chop a few more ingredients up. Onion. I'm going to just dice that up into a small dice. The cos lettuce, just going to slice that into nice thick slices. Tomatoes, cut them into small pieces. Did have fresh peppers, but unfortunately I couldn't get those, so on this occasion I've just got some Mediterranean ones there that I've drained off that was in some oil. So I'm just going to simply slice those. Yellow pepper, again char grilled. And the last thing is the avocado. Just for this I only need half an avocado really. These are nice and ripe, perfect for what I'm looking for this dish. So simply to make up the Portuguese burrito bowl is just simply an assembly product. So the bowl, you're just going to Some lettuce in there. It can be any lettuce that you've got lying around, guys, to be honest with you. You can put anything you want with this, guys. You know, you could put pasta in there, you could put some bulgur wheat in there, sweet corn. It's just nice to put in little pieces there, so you put in little chunks of it. Some beans, black beans we've got there. Roasted yellow peppers, and put them this side for the vibrance. Red peppers. The rice that I did earlier on. Some spring onion. A little bit of lime juice to season that with. Next we've got some tomatoes. You can use sunblush tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whatever you've got again. Avocado next that I've just sliced that you saw me do a second ago. Just like so. You've got the fillet pieces. As well with the olive oil, the chilli, lime juice, just to nap that over the top. And the last thing, a little bit of coriander to garnish. There you go. There is my Portuguese burrito bowl with the Garden Gourmet Fillet Pieces in a Portuguese spice mix. Just to say thank you very much for watching me cook for you guys today. I hope you learned a couple of new things that you can do out of the Garden Gourmet Fillet Pieces. Again, the burrito bowl, a beautiful protein salad there with bags and bags of flavour and lots of colour.